Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Flamingo. I'm Jay, and today I have the last bit of my Hobby Lobby clearance sale haul. Whew. I hauled some things from Hobby Lobby when they had that awesome clearance sale. First thing I'm going to start with are the paper studio charms, and I just got one of each of these, and they were both, no, they weren't both $149. This one was $149 and this one was $112, and I can see why, because this one is more of like a plastic, and it's just cute, fun summer fruit that when summertime comes, I probably will regret not getting two of them, because these will make fun just about all kind of things. Keychains, little dangles. Oh, so cute. But I got a pack of these. Now that I have been gone for a while, but I am back to posting. I moved twice in a short time, and if you ever moved, it's a pain in the butt. It really is. It's a lot, and it's hard to kind of put out crafting, set up a crafting area, and you're going to be moving right in a few short months. Anyway, all the moving is done, and I have my craft area set up, and I am ready to craft, so there will be definitely more videos coming out. But what did I say? All this to say, I hope that I can get back into some fun crafty swaps, because that was one of my favorite things to do. I feel like things like this, like these charms, will be fun to do in a crafty swap. And yeah, especially these, because you have 6 of them and they're all the same. So anyway, that's the first part of it. I love when they have the clearance sale. It's the funnest little treasure hunt. But I got a lot of jewelry making things, because my youngest daughter consistently likes to make jewelry. And when she was younger, I used to buy her the little jewelry kits from Walmart, places like that, for Christmas. And now she's just outgrown it, and she's gotten older. So I noticed like she's still sticking with it. So it's time to get her big girl jewelry making items. And this was a good place to start, getting some of the stuff on clearance. So the first thing I have, well, I'll start with these first. I'm gonna use some of these as well, but they were $1.49 and originally $5.99. But what they are, can you see? They're earrings. They're earring backs, and they are earrings that are on this charm. They have like a clamp, so you open it, and you can even put a bead on here. Oops. You can put a bead on here. You can put a charm on here. You can put anything you want on here. And I love that it has the sparkle on top. If you don't want to put that on there, you can just take this whole clamp off and put your own little dangly thing on there and save the charm for something else. Maybe add it to a bracelet or a necklace or something. I have this, it says pinch class with lobster and chain. And it was originally $4.99, and it was on clearance for $124. And I like that you get silver and gold. And these are just little clamps. If you want to take a ribbon, you can make a bracelet out of it. You can make a choker with these. So I thought these would be cute to add to that little beginner jewelry set. Wait, is that? What is this? Yeah, that's what that is. Okay. Sorry guys. So, oh, these were only 74 cents. These are originally $2.99, and they are polymer clay bead discs. These are so popular right now. I know, y'all, everything, like I say, everything comes back around, because I remember wearing necklaces made out of these type of beads when I was in high school, and now these are back in. 75 cents. That is such a good deal. Man. Next, I have this cord, and this was in the jewelry section, so I assume it's jewelry making cord. But if not, I can definitely use it for different crafty reasons. And it was $149 on clearance, but originally $349. You just get black, but you get different widths. So this is a thinner width, and this is a thicker width. If you can see like how thick this is and how thin, let me try to show you how thin this is compared to how thick this one is. So I thought that was interesting. So I only grabbed one of these because I don't think we use this a lot. I thought this was so cute when I saw it. It's a resin jewelry mold. And I got, well, it doesn't say it's a resin mold, but it says works with resin. It's just a silicone mold, and it's a button mold. It makes different types of buttons. And I thought this was so cute. I keep finding myself drawn to the resin supplies. Oh, I didn't tell you the price. So the price is $2.24, and it was originally $8.99. You can also use this for clay. So I may use it for clay. I may even add hot glue in it when I just want to do like a cute like you can just make cute decorative buttons, but I like the idea that I can make my own decorative buttons any color. If I do use resin with it, I can add glitter, even tiny little flowers in there if I want to, just anything. I remember when I do resin, I used to add like Nerds candy to the little resin pendants that I used to make. That was fun to do. Next, I have these bracelets, and they're just already made bracelets. It's like tube bracelets, and they have glitter on them. The glitter doesn't seem like it's going anywhere, as you can see. The glitter's not wiping off. But I just thought, yeah, I think they're bracelets. I don't think they're keychains. They'll be just fun to just do a quick like jewelry making, add a little charm to here or something like that. But look at the colors, like so fun. Really fun. So, oh, let me tell y'all the price. These were $1.49 and they were originally $5.99. So, but look how sparkly. Yeah, next is gonna be all like jewelry pieces that are already made that you can just do like quick things. Like once again, this is a necklace, but you could just add a charm to it or leave it as is. It's cute, but it was $1.99 and originally $7.99. I like this too because this is something, again, I would have worn in high school. Like, this definitely is making a comeback. I think that these are glass seed beads. I'm not sure. But I love the color combo. It's really pretty. So I got these. So next I have these necklaces. And you get 11 of them. Why not just put an extra one for 12? But anyway, you get 11 in the... Oh, let me quit complaining because they were only $2.99. Originally $12. So... that is not a bad price at all. $2.99. They're on this lobster class. And I remember when my other girls were younger, I would make them little necklaces and put like a resin pendant on it. But I would just buy the cord like on a roll like ribbon and put these clasps on myself, like glue these on myself. So it's already done for you. You don't even have to do all that. You can just open it up and start making something. I keep saying it, but this is another thing that's making a comeback. The Fimo beads, the little clay beads. Look at this. Now, if you're in my age group, we had these little necklaces and everything. This is a keychain lanyard. The butterflies and the flowers are so pretty. And I can either keep it like this, and it has a little clasp, or I can cut the little beads off and use those individually too if I want to, which I might do that. But I like it. I like how it looks. It's cute as is, or the beads are cute to use individually. So that's what that looks like. Oh, I don't think I told you the price. So this was $1.49 and it was originally $5.99. The next necklaces that I have are just, they're chains and of course made to add something to it. But I got them for, this shorter one is $2.74 and the longer one is $2.49. So yeah, these were the only chains that I could find. I would have got more of them. Next in the fully made jewelry, see, these are earrings that are already done and already put together. They're originally $9.99 and they're $2.49. They're just, I mean, at this price, these are cute little gifts, stocking stuffer, something like that. But I grabbed just one pack of those. So next I'm gonna get into the little charms and dangles, things like that. But I have, I got just one set of these. They were $1.12 and originally $4.49. I'm still wondering, like, what are you gonna make with these? What are you gonna do with these kiwi? But we'll see. I like this brand, Hello Happy. It is so cute. Let me read to you what the back, it says, because happy happens when you choose it. I thought this was so cute. So, and you'll see, like, I'm gonna do the next stuff that I got from this brand. It's just so fun and cute. Here's some more from Hello Happy. And these, oh, look how pretty these are. These are beads and these are beads, and they made them into little dangles. But how pretty are these? They catch the light. And clearance for $1, and I definitely would have grabbed a few more if they had them, because I think making a whole charm bracelet with just these would be so cute. But these are what I have to work with, so I think I can still get a charm bracelet out of these, of this amount. But so pretty. So next, from that same Hello Happy brand, in this haul there's a lot of little summer fruits, but that makes sense because I think they got rid of like a lot of summer items. But these were 74 cents on clearance and originally $2.99. And they're made out of clay, and they're just so cute and dainty. The lemon and the strawberry. Like this year, strawberry, she had her hot girl moment. Lemon was always popular, but strawberry this year became so popular. Look at me. But I just say that because even my youngest daughter, her room is decorated a strawberry theme. But the lemon is still always cute. So I grabbed 2 of these. Sticking with the Hello Happy theme, I got some little tiny, look at these little rainbows. I keep picking up the stuff, y'all, and you probably can see it better when I leave it on the table. But they were on clearance for $1.12, and they're originally $4.49. Look at the little, I don't know if you can see the faces on the rainbow. Look at the little faces, so cute. I'm not sure if you can see from that table, but look at their little face. How cute. These are so cute. So, and they have glitter in them too. A little glitter every time I turn it. So I just got 1 pack of those. So next, from that same Hello Happy brand, that's what I said. This brand definitely makes me smile. So I got this big rainbow charm, and it was $2.24, and it was originally $8.99. And it's a shaker. So you can shake it and the glitter still moves around. And how fun is that? Like, look at that. So I grabbed 1 of those. So the next little set of charms I got are these from the same little Hello Happy. These were on clearance for $1.49, and they were originally $5.99, and you get 5 of them. And it looks like traveling theme charms, but I'm so excited to use this one and the camper. I think these 2 are my favorites. This is a whole different brand. I thought it was still the same Hello Happy, but this is the Explorer type. Yeah, Explorer. So I got 1 of these, and these are little flowers, and I got this for $1.74. These were originally $6.99. So I got these for my daughter. Yeah, I can't wait to see what she comes up with some of this stuff. But I just got 1 pack of those. And I got these for $1.49. Oops, hey, get back over here. I got these for $1.49, and they were originally $5.99. I got this set for myself because I don't know what it is about a little camper like this. I want one in real life. Let me show y'all closer. But the campers that are made like this, I don't know why, but I want 1 of these. I see people convert them into a she shed or their like crafty space. So I would love to do something like that. Moving along. Now the last part is my favorite of the charms that they have. It's me and my daughter's absolute favorite. All 3 of my daughters too. We love the fairy tale. Let me show you. Fairy tale, it's just like fairy tale themed charms. And some jewelry components, some other jewelry components. These were $1.24, and they're originally $6.99, and they're wooden butterflies. And look, even that side looks cute on a dangle. The plain side, if you don't like the print, but the print is so pretty. I'm going to use the printed side. I think I got these for my daughter, so whatever she comes up with will be so cute. I got more. I was able to get more little fairy tale charms, and I got little mushrooms this time, and I got 1 for me and 1 for my daughter, and 1 is let me show you just 1 at a time. So this one is $1.49, and this just looks like a typical little mushroom, and this is a something else, mushrooms, toadstools, all that are back in style. So it'll be interesting to see what she comes up with this. I got for myself, let me show you. So this was $1.74, and it was originally $6.99. Yeah. So when I saw this, I knew I had to get it. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try to bring it up close. But I'm not sure if you can tell. Look at the little door. It's a door and a window. And this reminded me of the Smurfs house. Like, this definitely reminded me of the Smurfs. I thought it was cute. Even if I just put it on a charm and just wear it as a necklace, it just reminds me of the Smurfs. And let me see. It has little flowers around it. So I'm going to say this is Smurfette's house. It could be Smurfette's house or hers or Vanity. Vanity probably would live there too. But look how cute. So cute. Now this I definitely got for my daughter. I'm not an owl fan. I do not like owls at all. But yeah, she does. And these were on clearance for $1.49, and they were originally $5.99. Get a good amount of them. especially for $1.49, that's a really good price. Next, I have these little dangles, and they're $1.49, little charms. And they're little sparkly crowns. And these remind me of Princess Tiana's crown. So I want to get some more of the charms that are princess, like the Princess of the Frog theme, and make a charm bracelet with it. But also, some people's Hobby Lobbies I've seen they have Disney charms. I don't know if they still have them in there, but I've seen some people's Hobby Lobby carry Disney charms. Mine doesn't, and it has not. We didn't get any of that, but I would really have liked to, because this would make a really cute, like the fairy tale line does fairy tales, but like more of generic fairy tales. Definitely would have liked to get some Disney themed charms. So anyway, maybe we'll get them. I don't know if they still sell them even in Hobby Lobby. If you've seen them, still let me know. But anyway, this is these crowns. They're pretty. I have this pirate chest, and it was $1. I can't see. Let me see the original. If I can see the original price. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm just checking to see if I can see the original price. So originally it was $3.99. So I got it for 99¢. And that's what it looks like. It's a really good size too. Let me show you the inside. Look at all that bling. All those gems that the pirates were stashing away. I just thought it was cute. So we'll see what we come up with this. So I got this. So next I have, oh, look how pretty. Can y'all see? It's already got the sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. These are just little stars, and they were $2.49, but originally $9.99. Oh, I should have got more than one of these. These could come in handy. But anyway, I just grabbed these two. And last but not least, I got this really cute little fairy. The purple and the color stones that they use work so well together. I just makes it pop, but she kind of moves around, and look, she has a star in her hand. She's a star. I just thought she was cute. She ended up being $2.27, originally $8.99, and I think I'm going to put her on a keychain. I think I'm going to put her on my keychain, but I just thought she was so cute. Well, that is the end of this haul, and that's the end of my Hobby Lobby clearance haul. If you want to see the other things I haul, just check out the previous videos. They're already posted. And thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it to the end and if you watched all of the sale video. With that said, I will see y'all next time, next crafty haul, next craft or DIY. Bye.